Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you are new, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Today, again, I am going to share a new bundle coming May 3rd. Time flies, y'all. You know, it's going to be here so quick. It's just a short ways away, not even 2 weeks away when the new catalog goes live. I'm so excited because I get to order a lot more out of that catalog as well. And so there's so many cute things in it and I can't wait to share them. So I am sharing this today using the Cup of Tea bundle. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness, I love this. You can use it for coffee if you're a coffee drinker, a tea drinker, but I love this one. And you can put in here tea bags, you can put any kind of candy you want. You know, it's just for anything, and I think it'd be super cute for a friend. But it says it's time for tea. This would be even cute if you having a tea party, you know, with some of your friends, or even for like a nursing home. I remember when my mom was there, they'd have tea parties and stuff like that, and they'd have coffee and donuts, but this would be so cute for something like that. But this is what I'm sharing, and all you have to do is untie this on here, and then you can just pull the top off like that. So it is like a half top here, and it is 3.5 inches tall and an inch wide, so it's going to hold quite a few goodies in there if you want, or tea bags, or you can even put the fresh tea in there as well. That'd be really, really cute. So let me just tie this. I'm not sure I really like this is soft succulent open weave ribbon on it. I'm going to use a different color and the same designer series paper. The top part is the same designer series paper because I love this paper and I really want to use it up. So it's just so pretty. And then I am going to use also the open weave ribbon, but I may change it. I brought up another ribbon that I might try on it. So, but it's so cute. I really love this. So this is Poppy Parade that I used on here. The cup is Poppy Parade, and then I'm using Old Owl for the leaves. I'll post all this stuff in my inspiration sheet. If you don't know yet, or if you're new, I always post an inspiration sheet on my blog the day that this goes live, which this one will go live on Sunday, and all of the measurements will be in the inspiration sheet, and then all the supplies that you need to make it. Alright, so what I'm using for this designer series paper is the Flowering Fields, which is this one. I love this. I love tulips, and that's probably why, but it has so many patterns. But I am using this tulip pattern here, and then this, and this is Poppy Parade, so that's why I did the cup in Poppy Parade. Now this time I am using this purple flower, and this has Highland Heather, Fresh Freesia, and Rich Razzleberry in it. So we're going to change it up a little bit. So let's see which one we like better at the end. The bundle that I'm using is this Cup of Tea, and then it's the teacup dies. Now, you know, if you're new, you probably don't know, but if you get these together, you save 10%. It's called a bundle. So you'll get them both, and it's a bundle, but you save 10% by getting both of them. And then I already pulled out all the dies that we're going to use for this. And then I'm going to use another new one, and it's called the Stylish Shapes. And I love this because, you know, the stitching and the we got squares back, so I'm super excited about that. And then the stitch circles, and there's more here on the stitch circles than we had in the old set that retired. So super happy about that, and this is the one I'm using for this one, and we're cutting that from vellum. All right, let's go ahead and start stamping, and we are going to stamp the cup. I already stamped the leaves, which are these right here. I'm using soft succulent this time, and then I did stamp and run through the cut and emboss the little flowers with the little leaves. And I did one in Rich Razzleberry, and then I did one in Highland Heather, and we'll decide when we get there which one we're going to use on this project. All right, and then we're going to do the rest in this video. All right, so I'm going to use Rich Razzleberry because that is the dark color on this designer series paper, and it seemed to pop more with that color because it's a deeper like purple, in the purple family, I'll say. All right, so that is the one we're doing. And then I am going to put a lemon in it like I put the other one because I thought the lemon was so cute. So we're going to stamp the lemon. And you can use this as oranges, lemons, limes, whatever you want. But we're putting a lemon because it's tea. And then we are going to do the tag and the sentiment. And I'm just using Memento Black for that. And there's the little, it's actually the tea for the tea bag. And you'll see how I did the little tea bag on here. And then we're going to just put It's Time for Tea in the center there. And I think that's everything because like I said, I already did some of those. So let me grab the cut and emboss and we will run these through. Okay, so we're going to do the cup. I probably should have brought my mint tape over here, but I think we can do it without. This plate is pretty flat, so hopefully I can get them all on here. And then we're going to do this, and then we'll run through our little vellum last. All right, so we're going to run these through. And we will have our cup, our little tea bag part, and our little lemon that's going to go inside. It's going to really show up the lemon on this one. And then let's run through our little piece of vellum here. And it has the little stitching around, which you probably won't see it, but you can definitely tell with the stitching on it. Those are going to be some great dies. I can't wait for y'all to get your hands on them too. All right, so here we go. Now we're going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do first here, I'm going to fix the cup and get it ready to go so we can just put it on our box when we get it made. So I have a piece of basic white baker's twine here, and I'm going to make my little tea bag here. So I'm just going to stick that on the bottom, and then I'm going to flip this over. We're going to put it on here. Like that. I'll cut that, but I want to put a little tiny dimensional or mini dimensional underneath that. Now I can use a big one on this part because that tea, that is big enough. So we're going to just pop that up right there. And then I'll just cut this other part off. So it looks like our little tea bag is just hanging from the cup. And then I'm going to put this little lemon on, and it's just going to pop out from behind the back. And I think I'll do it just like that. Just so it's popping out the top. All right, so that's ready. We'll set that aside, and then we'll get the rest of the box put together. So we have to do some scoring. So we are going to score on the 8-inch side. This piece is 8 by 5. And we are going to score it on the 8-inch side at 3.5 and 4.5. And then we're going to turn it, and on the 5-inch side, you're going to score it at 1 and 4. These boxes are really easy, y'all. And I have to fix that because you know how I am about this. Sometimes I get off course. All right, and then this piece right here is 6 by 5 1/8. So on the 6-inch side, you're going to score it at 2.5 and 3.5. And then you're going to turn it, and on the 5 1/8 side, you're going to score it at 1 and 4 1/8. And that's it. All right, so let's cut these now. We're going to cut the sides here. And then you're going to turn it on the other side and do the same thing. All right, so that's the top. And the bottom is this, and we're going to do the same, cut it the same way, cut in on both of these. And like I said, this is fresh freesia. This is one of our in colors too. It's not a new one though. I think this is the 20 to 2023. All right, so let's fold all our score marks. All right, to speed this up, I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus. It'll work whatever you use. This is really a good strong adhesive, so I'm going to use that. You're going to put it on just one side, your adhesive, on these. I'm going to show you a little trick that I figured out how to do. To hide these little things and to make it cleaner on the inside, you're going to bring that to the outside like that, and then you're just going to close it like that. So you'll see that the inside, so you're going to put that on the outside instead of the inside, and then just close it. And it's nice and clean and even on the inside and no flaps on the inside. It works really good. I just figured that out today. And then you're going to do this one the same way. And you're going to just put those on again on the outside. Bring this closed. I just like it to look really nice and neat on the inside too. And then there's our box, and this will fit on top like this. Now it fits really nice and snug, so but you want it that way. All right, let's mat these. And I'm going to have to tell you all these mat pieces. I'll tell them as I go, but like I said, they'll all be in my inspiration sheet on my blog. So the bottom pieces here that we're going to cut are 3 1/4 by 2 7/8, and you need to cut 2 of those. I'm going to use wet glue for this part. So I am doing the front and the back. And then we're going to do this other side. Ooh, almost did the wrong side. I am bringing it down a little bit further to the bottom because you're not going to see that top part. All right, and then for the sides of this one, you need 7/8 by 3 1/4, and you need 2. So we are matting the sides. If you don't want to mat the sides, you don't have to. Just do what you like to do. I really like it. Looks really finished to me with the sides matted. All right, so that's the bottom. For the top one, you need 2 pieces that are 2 7/8 by 2 1/4. We're going to mat these. Make sure you mat these going the right direction, and when you cut it, if you have a pattern, be sure that you use the pattern goes the right way. All right, and then for the sides of these, you need 2 pieces that are 7/8 by 2 1/4. And those are for the sides on this one. And then this one we're even matting the top. And then for the very top, this is 7/8 by 2 7/8. And that goes on the top. All right, let's put that on. That's pretty. I love this plaid on this. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are gonna fix our little vellum piece. We're gonna get our little flowers here. We're gonna put these on first. Here. And then this is gonna fit on top like this. But I need to figure out if I want the lighter, which I think I'm gonna go with the lighter, I'm not sure. That's gonna go on the top there, or if I wanna just do the same color. I don't know, that's a hard decision. Let's see. Let me put these flowers together and then we'll put it on there. I'm just gonna glue the little flower to the leaves. And then we can decide what we're gonna do here. And I'll show you how we do the vellum part too. So do I wanna go with that or do I wanna go with this? I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna use a mini dimensional and we're gonna put that flower on with a dimensional. And then I'm gonna grab the ribbon. And this is the Fresh Freesia ribbon right here. So I'm gonna debate here a minute. I'll show you the other ribbon. So let's see, do I want to do it that way? And then the other ribbon is Flowers for Every Day, or I can't remember. But this comes in a 3-pack and I'm almost out. This is about all I have left. And let me tell you what the name of it is. It's called Flowers for Every Season. And so this is one of the ones that come in it. And I'm debating whether I want to do that with that or not. So let me see. I don't even know if it's going to go all the way around. I love this. It's like a linen ribbon. So let me see which one I like better. It's really hard to say, y'all. I think I'm going to go with the Fresh Freesia. It matches it like just perfect. So we're going to stick with the Open Weave Fresh Freesia. By the way, this is sticking around. I think in one of my videos I said it was retiring. And then someone pointed out this is not retiring. And I was like so happy. So we are going to just make another bow here. Because this ribbon's so pretty. And then to make it easy to slip off, we're going to use some dimensionals on the back of here. And I'm going to put 2 on, one on each side of where that ribbon is. So I'm going to put one behind this leaf and the other leaf. And then we're just going to stick that on top like that. And if you want to pull the ribbon out, you're welcome to just pull the ribbon out and then open the box, or you can just leave the ribbon on. All right, everyone, here's the other one. Which one do you like better? I don't know. I kind of like this one. I really love these colors, and that's probably why I'm attracted to this one. But anyway, that is it, everyone. Don't forget, these are available May 3rd. All these new things I've been showing you. I also did a card, this card the other day on Monday. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it somewhere in this video or in the description. But it is a crisscross card, and this is using another new bundle, the Sweet Songbird bundle. So it's really cute. All right, everyone, I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.